Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel your Fabletics VIP membership, right? So if you have a membership, then of course you would have an ID from where you have purchased your membership. So to cancel your VIP membership, first of all you have to log in from the same ID, and once you log in, on the top right you can say this is my login ID here, and if I just take my mouse there, here I will get a drop down, and here you can see this is a profile, so you have to just click on profile, right? Once you click here, you can see in the website you won't find anything that how you can cancel, right? So from the website you can't cancel, but there is a only way where you can cancel, which I'm going to show you right now. Here you can see this is a questions, right? And you can just directly call them and they will cancel your VIP membership over the call, or you can just start a chat, right? For example, here I can just write hi, and they will start interacting. They have a support team, so one of the support team member, they will start interacting with you and they will cancel your VIP membership. So guys, this is the only way where you can just cancel your VIP membership easily, right? And there's a no other way right now. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe channel. See you guys in the next video.